today I'm gonna introduce my chickens. First, we got one of the those white ones. Those other two is not mine, just the white ones. The other one they are too young to lay eggs, but almost. So guys, we didn't hire somebody to build the chicken coop. There you have it. And this is where they lay eggs. And this is where they can lay eggs. And there. And here. But they didn't lay eggs because they are too young. But today, can you comment how I did, if I did bad or good? Bye guys.